Hi, I'm Tina, Marketing Evangelist and Brand Spokesperson at Tagbox. At Tagbox, we help brands turn authentic customer content into trust and engagement. One of the most powerful forms of content is reviews. Google reviews play a huge role in influencing purchase decisions. That's why the best solution is to embed Google reviews directly on your website. And with Tagbox, you can do it in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, visit Tagbox. Now, sign up for free, or simply log in using your credentials if you are an existing user. From the options on your screen, select the Social Feed on Website option. Next, in the Select Source, pick Google Reviews as your platform. You can curate reviews in two ways: Places and My Places, each with its own tabs. The Place tab allows you to enter any location to collect reviews, while My Places lets you collect reviews from your business account. Provide the required details and click on the Next button. Tagbox will pull all the reviews for you. Now, curate your feed. Click on the Moderate button. Here, you can remove irrelevant items manually or use the Autopilot moderation feature to hide duplicates or old posts and keep the feed fresh. Then, to customize the design of your widget, click Customize and Publish. Choose Website as your channel, and then pick themes, layouts, card styles, fonts, and CTAs that match your brand. You can even tweak settings like hiding duplicates and old posts, adjusting colors, or using custom CSS for pixel-perfect control. Finally, click on the Generate Code button present on your screen, select your CMS, and adjust the width and height. Now, simply copy the embed code. Go to your website backend, add an HTML or embed block on the page where you want to showcase Google reviews, paste the code, save, and publish. And there you have it. Your website will now showcase Google reviews to flaunt your social proof, assisting your customers in making their decisions and helping your brand build a reputation.